start by talking about what a telomere is, very briefly, and then talk a little bit about caloric restriction and the thought that caloric restriction could extend telomeres. And telomeres are, as probably everyone knows, telomere length is seen as a good thing, and the shortening of telomeres is associated with aging. So to start at the beginning, telomeres are the caps at the end of each strand of DNA. And these caps kind of protect our chromosomes. So you can think of it like the plastic tips or the metal tips that you find at the end of shoelaces. And if these tips break and are damaged, then the sort of shoelace itself can kind of unravel and be less functional. And this is a very good analogy for the biology here. But back to the question, can caloric restriction extend the length of telomeres, thereby presumably delaying aging? Well, the evidence is really mixed on this. It's just unclear whether caloric restriction can extend telomere length or if it can even slow the normal shortening. It would be enough to demonstrate that caloric restriction or any other dietary intervention slowed the normal shortening, let alone extend it. So, several studies in mice have shown that caloric restriction can slow the rate of telomere shortening in comparison to mice fed a normal mouse diet. However, this is mice. And in 2017, researchers at the University of California reported on a study conducted with humans and found no clear evidence that long-term caloric restriction delays shortening of telomeres. So this was bad news for the caloric restriction crowd. Now, it is utterly unclear why this was the case, and as scientists often say, more study is needed.